Hi people, this is Nery again. Okay, I wanted to show you the new part of things that I did. I did it more decorative. Look at that. And then it got a long up to there. And I got these from right there. Right there. That's Korean Cuban oreganos. I don't put them in my raised bed because when they first gave it to me, they gave me like 4 sticks of it. And it took over half of my raised bed. And that raised bed is big. So I don't know, I had to take them out. I did have to take them out because I need to plant other things. I had there pigeon peas. I have pigeon pea seeds. I just haven't planted, thinking that there was gonna be a hurricane. They were saying there was gonna be a hurricane for Puerto Rico, Category 6, and this and that. So I didn't want to put it. As simple as that. Okay, so as you can see, my mint looks sticky. I don't know what happened to it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna rechange them, put them in a smaller, how you call it, a smaller container, and I'm gonna, how you call it, put fresh dirt. Maybe it's that. I'm gonna take all this covering, I'm gonna throw it out here because I got some more compost down there. Oh yes. I don't know if you can see. Let me see. You can see a little bit right there. Black dirt. And when it's black, it's good. I keep throwing everything that I don't want, the leaves I don't want. I just throw in there. But if I see they're sticky, I won't throw it out there. I throw it in the garbage. So I'm gonna try to change this today. And how you call it? And I have also what you haven't. I don't think you have seen is this. I'm gonna cut them down. I don't know what it is. I think it's also the pepper plant. I have one outside. I cannot go outside because it's pouring. And if I go outside, we already mopped the floor, and you know what that means? I'm gonna get my head chopped off. Well, that's just a simple joke. They might tell you, why you went outside when you know it was raining and you wet the floor and you messed up the floor. Oh boy. I don't want to hear the speech they got. But I have this one. I think these are peppers, but they don't look like the peppers that I planted. I don't know. They just came in here. So I'm going to let it see what it is, because the one outside, I cut it because some chicken or something went on top of it, broke it. I cut it there, and I was planning to take it all out when I noticed it had peppers, red peppers, hot red peppers, great for a Jamaican patty. So that's why I took it. I left it. But I don't want my house to be full of peppers unless I'm going to sell them. That's another thing. But, you know, I don't want too many peppers. And this was the plant that was in the water. They were starting to get yellowish, as you can see right there. And they still shine. You see, it still shine. So I put them all here. I was going to put them, like how you call it? The leaves, I was going to put them apart. But they don't stand. So what I did was I put it right here where the big tree could hold them down. And back there I also put them. It's hard to see there. I don't know if you see. But I put them all in one space. This is a gorgeous plant, even though you don't eat it. But I decided to take it. Not everybody wants plants that you could eat. So, And I also did, hold on, it's hard to drive this wheelchair. Okay. I did this decoration. Look at that, how beautiful. Except this. It's not beautiful. So, it is the same thing. The longer one, they keep giving little babies. Well, their babies, they look so beautiful. When they grow up and go wild, that's the problem. And I have my basil that came out. I still got 2 bags of basil because I only put a few of them, And if I see they started getting wiltery or something like that, I'll put more. So by the time this one died, I already have the other one. Haha, that's how I'm thinking. And I have this plant. This is the one my cousin gave me. And I didn't know they crawl through the floor. That's what it's trying to do, crawl through the floor. I might change this and put in one of the long ones. I don't have the long ones on my hand, but one of those long. Oh, put it over there. Well, I'm gonna take the I call it the mints. I'm taking them out of there and putting one of the long ones. So maybe I'll just take this one, put it there, and let it grow. So also I have, look how beautiful, peppers again. I ate, there was like 4 peppers, but they didn't grow. It was only like half of this one, and it didn't grow. So but I still use them, all 4 of them. Yep, all 4 of them I use them. So I trimmed it out a little bit, which I think it was a big mistake because how you call it? They don't have the flowers don't have where to hide from the lizards. I caught yesterday a little baby lizard here, and he had his head right here. He was relaxing. He even had a pillow. I threw him out, of course. I said, "That's not a pillow. That's not your home. Bye." I don't know if he came back when I shut off the light, but he enjoys it. He enjoys being in there. But the problem is that every time he jumps around, he knocks my peppers. So I tried not to have him, here all the time. I'm having a problem here. I can't get. Hold on for a minute. Okay, now I feel comfortable. I was like all sideways trying to do the videos, so I had to stop so I could how you call it, fix my wheelchair. Yeah, put it straight. So here we got 4 flowers, one there, and one here. I'm waiting for the flower to fall, one of them, because I'm going to use it to, how you call it, like I did with this one. I passed it through the, in the flower, and then it was pretty good because it dropped some of the pollen. So it fixed this one up. The rest died. I didn't do it to all of them. I just wanted to see if that was, how can I do this? So this one grew. That means that's what I have to do. Wait for the flower to come down, and then just put it on these ones that are, how you call it, that are there, already. So I will be doing it to these 3, maybe 4 if I get more flowers. I will do that. Or else I will wait for the flowers to fall and then pass that one. This one right here looks like it's about to fall. It was open yesterday. Now it's like downish. So it looks like it's gonna about to give it up. So probably that's the first one. It's gonna fall. If it falls, it's gonna fall right here. And if it falls right there, you put it more upper. If it falls right there, I could use it. So hopefully, let me even turn it a little more, like that. So it has to fall right there. So that's pretty good. It's doing pretty good. It has new leaves and everything. And it has a baby down here, which is having also a flower. Ain't it cute? So this, I'm still wondering what it is. I don't know what it is. I still got it there. I don't know. I saw one that they said that it was sage, something like that. But I don't know. I also have, hold on. Still have my aloe vera. But I noticed here, they're not growing a lot of aloe veras. Just that one I see. The other little ones, they died. Oh, there's another one here. A little one. Yeah, right there. But I don't know what happened with them. I think it is that this is retaining too much water because I see here it's kind of wet. So I think it's retaining too much water, and that's why they're not getting no new babies. So I'm not watering them no more. Yeah, they're wet. It's the moisture of outside. So they won't be getting water for a while. And I also have my, right there. My pepper, not my peppers, my, I forgot what they call it. No, my potatoes. Oh my gosh. I'm such a Looney Tune. Okay, so I got my potatoes, my avocado. This is my new avocado. I have one outside. I would like to do like they do, that they cut in, they put another piece of another, how do you call it, another avocado, but it has to be an avocado that has given birth already. So I have the big one out in the back. After Maria, before the year before Maria, it grew a lot of stuff. I had bags and bags of avocados, which I mostly gave it away. You know, I could have sold them, but I don't know. I thought that it would be nice that I could give it to them because I didn't know if that tree was gonna fly off or what. So I just wanted to give it to them. But I am planning to, if they start growing again, I am planning to sell it. You know, probably in the supermarket. And there's a supermarket near my house that they know us, so maybe they'll take it. Or, I don't know. Let's see what happens. But that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to grow plants, and since I don't need so much of what I have, I will sell them, you know. Right now I have tomatoes right there. Those tomatoes, they're starting now. I put them late because it was a very, very hot summer.